In this video, I'll show you how to automate client retention using GoHighLevel so you can keep clients happy and boost recurring revenue. Step 1. Create a client retention workflow. In GoHighLevel, go to Automations, then Workflows, and start a new workflow tailored for follow-ups, renewals, or loyalty programs. Step 2. Automate follow-up emails and SMS. Send personalized messages to clients on specific dates or after certain triggers, like completing a project or reaching a subscription milestone. Step 3. Add rewards and activeness. Automatically offer discounts, bonuses, or referral rewards to loyal clients to encourage repeat business. Step 4. Segment your client. Use tasks and lists to target high-value clients or specific service groups with tailored messages and offers. Step 5. Monitor engagement through analytics. And that's how you automate client retention in GoHighLevel, keeping clients engaged, happy, and coming back all on autopilot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.